Hi, gorgeous. This is episode number 62. You are listening to Heart Sells Podcast, and I'm your host, Christine Schlonski. I am super excited to tune in today here from beautiful Germany, where actually, the spring is around the corner. The sun is really coming up early in the mornings. The birds are singing and life just feels so beautiful. So I hope you are getting to experience the same beautiful weather, sunshine, not only outside, but also inside, coming from your heart. So Variety Friday is a day where I do share my knowledge from over a decade of high ticket sales, over the phone experience, and where I share amazing resources that have helped me, and also where I am answering your questions. So therefore, it's Variety Friday, and it's also the last day of the week to get some inspiration before you are going into your well-deserved weekend. Before we go into this episode, where I'm going to answer a question today, I would love to invite you to join the Sales Mentality Makeover Masterclass. It is already the third masterclass, and I have amazing experts and teachers lined up to help you with spiritual and practical steps to increase your sales and to create true wealth without losing your authenticity. All you need to do is hop on over to ChristineSchlonski.com, find the tab Sales Mentality Makeover Masterclass 3. In the menu, click sign yourself up. It's a free online event. And as a very something special, I am popping a bottle of champagne in Berlin, in the heart of Berlin at Brandenburg Gate, where I will first of all launch the masterclass, but even more importantly, I will celebrate you and your amazing gifts. So if you can join via Facebook Live, that would be amazing. I would so love to see you and to share that moment with you so we can celebrate together. And also, if you happen to be in Berlin, make sure you reach out and let me know so I can bring a glass for you so we can actually have a toast together. So wonderful. Let's dive right in. So the question I had today is a question I do hear quite often. It is, usually I am so excited when I get to share amazing resources. When I get to share products and services that have helped me, I can sell to anyone. But when it comes to my own services, even though I know they are amazing, I get stuck. I do not make the offer. I feel I need to hold back, and I have all these mixed feelings about it. Do you have any advice of how I could move forward in making my offers? All right, well, yes, of course, I do. And I know this feeling, and you might have experienced it, or you're still experiencing it. Or if you think about, creating your own business, this is something to consider and to practice before you do the leap of faith, because sales is a backbone of each and every single business. No matter if you are a huge brand or if you are a solopreneur, with no sales, no business, and that equals a hobby. If you really want to make the impact, you need to sell. And from my perspective, you need to sell with heart. So sales is love is always what I'm saying, because you're sharing your amazing gifts and products with the world. So let's have a look at this. When it comes to the situation that you are all excited about other people's, about other companies' products and services, but you can't sell your own, I would like for you to ask you this question. What would happen if I take myself out of the equation? And what do I mean by this? Well, what would happen if you just focus on the customer? If you just focus on your future client? And if you are not worried about if you can sell and how you should be selling? What if you have this amazing product or service and you just talk to your potential client about it with the same excitement? Because you created it, you put in your heart, you put in your time, you put in your experience. So you should be all excited about this product or this service. And if you're not, now it's time to tweak it so that you are in love with your own products and services. If you would not buy from yourself, then really you need to have a close look at what you are selling. Right? I could talk about sales all day long, about the energies, about the dynamics, about the conversations, about listening and asking. I mean, I just love it. And I also love what I offer my clients because I see the amazing results. I see how they thrive. Now, I'm not telling you that to brag. I'm telling you that so you can have a look at your own products, right? Wouldn't you just love to hear that your clients say, well, working with you has changed my life? Working with you has put my business on the next level. I'm so happy and excited that I get to be there. Working with you has helped me to create more money to add to my bottom line, so now I can have the lifestyle I truly desire. Isn't that something you would love to hear from your clients? Well, to make that happen, you really need to make those offers. You really need to support them to sign up with you. Because here's the deal. Your client comes because they have a challenge. Your client comes because they are in pain. So who are you not to support them in their challenges if you have that solution? So take yourself out of the equation. Just think about the client, how you can serve, what you can do for them so that they can go to their next level. Really, really make sure that you just come from that point of view of serving. Don't worry too much about making that offer or that sale. Just have the conversation and see where they are at, how you can support them. And if you are the best match, well, just let them know. That's all you need to do. You do not make the decision for them to buy. That's their homework. But yours is to make an offer, to make an invitation for them to come in and to buy your amazing products and services so that they can change their life. They are saying yes to themselves, not to you. You just happen to have the solution. So if you don't make the offer, they will just keep searching and they will just be and go somewhere else. And if you have maybe right now the thought, well, but if they go somewhere else, somebody else is not as good as I am. They don't have the experience that I have. They don't have put in all the hours of practice. They don't have done all the studies in the world that I've done. Well, in that case, you especially want to make sure that the client is not going somewhere else, that they are coming to you so you can serve them at your best and highest level. I really hope this makes sense to you. Please reach out if you have any questions and shoot me an email to info@ChristineSchlonski. Info@Christine with a CH. Schlonski is SCHLONSKI. info@ChristineSchlonski.com. Really make sure you put in your questions, your comments, and I'm really, really here for you to serve you because I know how many hours I've put in. I know how many studies I've done to be at the point where I can teach all day long and inspire all day long that sales is love. So obviously, I prefer that you learn my stuff because I know that with the emphasis I put on the emotions, on the mindset, and then only after that tackling the strategies, that this is such a unique approach. So make sure your clients are feeling the same, and please, please serve them. Don't do them a disservice because you didn't dare to invite them to buy from you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are in this amazing, beautiful world, and bye for now.